everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at an absolutely stunning, get that loud car by here, just an absolutely stunning 1969 Mercury Cougar Eliminator, real Eliminator, guys. And I'm going to tell you, this is the nicest one I have ever seen. This is the fourth one I've ever owned, and I don't know how you could find a nicer one. This car is absolutely stunning. Came out of a private collection. It's finished, it's a factory color combination. It's got the bright blue metallic with the blue vinyl interior. Original 351 car, air, rotisserie restored, and gorgeous, man. I mean, this thing is stunning. Got a Marti Report for the car. I think there was 2250 of these cars ever built, so they're very low production. You just don't see them. Like I say, I've owned 4 of these cars since I've been here, and I've never seen one this nice. This car is turn the key, take it right to a car show. I mean, we barely had to wipe it down. It's that kind of nice. Chrome and stainless is beautiful. The paint is gorgeous. There's really not a whole lot that you can nitpick on this car. Seems like everything works. The air blows cold. The rim blow horn works. It's got the front and rear spoilers. Gorgeous paint on this car. Stainless is beautiful. I mean, this is just a great car. Runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Yeah, if you're looking for a Cougar Eliminator, I don't know how you're going to find a nicer one. This car is gorgeous. Again, I've been very fortunate. I've gotten 3 cars. A buddy of mine out of Tennessee has got me into this car collection, and I've gotten 3 cars out of it. And man, everything these guys have is just gorgeous. Look how nice the sequential taillights work. I saw one little, yeah, you can see a little touch-up mark there. Look how nice this car is. It is just gorgeous. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got BF Goodrich radial TAs all the way around it with the Magnum 500s. This is just as nice as they come right here. Want to pick something, you see a little mark there in the stripe. Man, is this car gorgeous, man. Original 351 car, you know, stock intake, exhaust manifolds, again, factory air. Actually, I think it's dealer air, and it works. It blows cold. You can see they put all the engineer inspection marks, the paint okay up there on the firewall. I mean, they restored this thing to concourse, man. It is beautiful. Power steering, power front disc brakes, FMX automatic transmission. I mean, this car, I can't say enough about it, man. Just beautiful. Again, your little paint okay. Same thing. It's got all your inspection marks on it. What a car. Just leave it propped, Nathan. The wind's gonna blow it. That wind's gonna blow it back closed. Pretty car right there. watermarks on there, guys. If you see that, it's just comes right off. We pulled it in the building yesterday. We pulled it out front. Sorry, this is a remote mirror, getting ahead of myself. And it got in the raindrops a little bit. I mean, this car is just beautiful. Little mark on your door pad there. There's your trim tag on it. Door seams are nice and clean. Again, that's a remote mirror. Look how nice that interior is. Factory bucket seats, center console, rim blow horn. Again, it works. Factory tack and gauges. It's got all the seat belts in it. Headliner's nice. Steering wheel's in great shape. Look how clean the gauges are. It's only showing 10,000 miles on the car. I highly doubt it's original 10,000, but there can't be very many miles on that Restoration. Even the clock works in there. Factory radio works. Again, the air blows cold. It's got dual exhaust. It's got the 325 traction lock rear end in it. Marti Report's blowing all over, but there's your Marti Report for the car. Pretty car right there, man. Nice underneath, just solid, beautiful car. It's not the easiest thing to do one-handed, I'll tell you that right now. Look how nice those seats are. Again, clock works, dash is in great shape, the gauges are gorgeous. Glass is super nice on the car. Air blows cold. Rides and drives, like you say, like a dream, man. Like it's right out of the factory. Everything opens and closes real nice. Love that front end on these cars. These cars are so cool and they're so rare. You just do not see them. All your dome lights in here work, tack, all your gauges work.
The door light even works.
Yeah. I mean, that is a baby doll if there ever was one right there. Sequential tail lights here in the rear. Backup lights work. Yeah, that's a new 69 right there is what it is. Radio works, blower motor works. Yeah, and everything opens and closes as nice as can be. Hopefully you can see that. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. What a car.